Evening and welcome to the next Toolbox Tour video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Halfords modular tray set. So this one's a 4-piece circlip plier set, and do have some circlip pliers, but it's nice to have a full set, and they're coming useful for such as changing wheel bearings. So I'll just flip it over, and you've got a diagram on the back of what's what. You've got external bent, external straight, internal bent and internal straight. So I'll set you up on the tripod and we'll get this one unboxed as well. So it's time to unbox this one. Just get all this cellophane off, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, get this. I seem to have an extra piece of cardboard on this one. Still it's recyclable. I've just done the file video, so doing these two at the same time. So in this one we have the bent one there, the internal. I can't remember which one was the internal. So these are the bent. These are the internal ones, bent internal ones, and these will be the bent external ones. Yep. And same again in the straight version. And yeah, I think these are the internal. Yep. Just quickly show you the difference. So one goes in like that, one comes together, the other one goes apart. So that's basically doing much more to them than that. Let's see if we've got these the right way around. Yeah, that one. Yep, got that right the first time. So what I'll do is I'll just put these back in. Don't trap me. And we'll find a home for them in the toolbox, mint tool chest. So I managed to clear a bit more space, just got all my loose sockets out, actually put them in here. Then I've got somewhere for my circlip pliers set. So I think I'm going to have to evict these, and then evict this little lot as well, for them to get any more modular tray sets, because the only other drawer I've got left is that. So I'm going to wrap this video up, and it's another short one. So that wraps it up for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified whenever one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.